Time now is 6:01. Members of the Tucson community have a lot of questions after a man who killed a Tucson police officer is now off death row. News 4 Tucson's Gabrielle Parrish has more.
Court documents revealed that John Montenegro Cruz's constitutional rights were violated and he's entitled to a resentencing. Of course, this news did not sit well with the family of fallen officer Patrick Hardesty. Hear what his family attorney has to say.
One can imagine what this family has gone through and is now going through after 20 years of this nonsense.
Tucson police officer Patrick Hardesty was shot and killed by John Montenegro Cruz in 2003. He was sentenced in 2005 and given the death penalty, but now he is no longer facing the death penalty, and the Hardesty family attorney tells us the family is upset.
And I'm talking about the county attorney has ignored the victims in this case and has pursued her own political agenda and has caused unimaginable hurt to these families.
On the defense's side, Montenegro Cruz's attorney, Brick Stortz, is feeling relief that his client is no longer facing the death penalty.
Well, I'm very happy that it has been. I think that the case has resulted in a fair resolution now that's happened. He's going to be resentenced, and I'm quite sure he'll get natural life.
The reason why Montenegro Cruz could be resentenced is that court documents read, the state admitted to errors undermine the grounds on which the court has previously denied the defendant under Rule 32.1.
Interesting, they take that position where for 18 years they took an opposite position until these two females got elected, and now their own politics have taken over.
Now his fate is in the hands of Pima County Attorney Laura Conover. She tells us in a statement that the Pima County Attorney's Office has now been handed the 2003 John Montenegro Cruz case after the United States Supreme Court found an error and sent it back. A great deal of careful work must now be undertaken, and first and foremost will be our quiet communications and meetings with our listed victims. PCAO will be asking the court to extend deadlines in order for this critical work to take place.
But Laura Conover is absolutely lying when she says that she is still considering this and wants victim input, and she's even requested a meeting with us. She's already made this decision.
Conover now has 2 weeks to decide if she's going to give Montenegro Cruz the death penalty. But it's no secret that Conover does not believe in the death penalty. Reporting from downtown, Gabrielle Parrish, News 4 Tucson.